This top is going to be for rupees 99 only. Imagine for how much? 200 rupees, guys. Going to get this piece also for 200. You are getting this particular piece only for rupees 100. Guys, for 100 rupees.
Exactly.
So you can see this particular dress.
హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఏఎంఎస్ గాసిపీ. సో మేము ఈరోజు స్టైల్ పోర్ట్కి వచ్చామన్నమాట. స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ దుర్గం చెరు. సో ఈ లొకేషన్ వచ్చేసి దుర్గం చెరు మెట్రో స్టేషన్ ఉంది కదా, మెట్రో స్టేషన్ దిగిన తర్వాత పిల్లర్ నెంబర్ 1758 దానికి ఆపోజిటే ఉంది షర్ట్ పోర్ట్. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఇంకా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతే దాని ఆపోజిట్ మనకి కాస్ట్ టు కాస్ట్ షాప్ ఉంది. కాస్ట్ టు కాస్ట్కి ఆపోజిట్ షర్ట్ పోర్ట్ స్టోర్ ఉంది. అండ్ ఇంకొక క్లూ వచ్చేసి ఇండస్ బ్యాంక్. ఈ బ్యాంక్ పక్కనే మనకి షర్ట్ పోర్ట్ షాప్ ఉంది. సో కమ్ ఆన్, లెట్స్ గో టు షర్ట్ పోర్ట్ నౌ. సో ఇదండి షర్ట్ పోర్ట్ కొత్త స్టోర్ దుర్గం చెరువులో. సో మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ప్రైజెస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏమేమి నార్మల్గా మనం షర్ట్ కోట్ అంటే చాలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తుంటాము. సో అవన్నీ నేను మీకు ఈ వీడియోలో చూపిస్తాము. సో లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇంటు ద వీడియో. సో బ్రాండెడ్ ఉమెన్స్ వేర్ 60 to 80% ఆఫ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. ఇనాగ్రేషనల్ ఆఫర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి మనకి. సో లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇంటు ద స్టోర్. Hi Sonam.
How are you, Shavani?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Very nice to see you guys after such a long time. Hello everyone. AMS Gossipy viewers, I would like to thank you for watching us all the time. They are so good. They keep coming here so that they can have such nice inaugural offers reaching to you guys. Thank you guys for coming once again.
You're welcome. So this is your new store, right?
Yes, at Madhapur.
Congratulations for your
Thank
new
you.
store, and it is so good, and we can identify it very easily, like with a pillar number.
It was easy for you guys to get
there
here,
is
yeah?
no problem. We can just check with the pillar number or the cost to cost
Yeah.
store or the bank.
Right.
Everyone here are helpful. Like metro station ke niche hi hai na, so
Yes,
it is very
just
easy.
literally 2 minutes from metro
Wow,
station.
that's
yeah.
So what are the offers we have this time?
So first of all, let me invite you all to the inauguration of this store, which is at Madhapur. The inauguration is on 1st of July, and we have amazing inaugural offers. And I am going to show you the price chart of that. So Shravani, this is our price chart for the inaugural offer, and the best thing is this offer is valid at all 3 stores, Amirpet, Madhapur and Sarat City Mall, guys. So you can avail this offers in all the stores. Online services are not available during the sale time, which is from 1st to 18th of July. So if you want to grab this offers, please visit the store. The articles may vary from one store to another. So if you can visit all the 3 stores, it will be the cherry on the cake. So let me tell you about the prices. These are the grand inaugural offers we are having at our stores.
Okay.
So if you pick any top, it will cost you 250. Knee length will cost you 400. Long gowns 550. Shrug skirts 350. Jeans and dry fit will be 500. Denim jacket will cost you only 400, guys, and denim shorts at unbelievable price 200. Guys, this is amazing. Trust me, the pieces that we have got in store for the inaugural, they are amazing. We have got very nice collection. They are awesome, and you can see by yourself by coming to the store, and you'll figure it out how amazing offer you have got at such a reasonable price.
Okay, so let's talk about 99. Do we have 99?
99 is going to be there throughout the year. It is our baby. So yes,
Okay.
99 will be there in all the 3 stores and throughout the year, guys. Not only during the sale time. Amazing quality, and people love 99. So it is going to be there. Yes.
Yeah. So we'll just peep into some of your tops so we can show them.
Yeah. Let's just get into the tops now.
Okay.
So Shravani, as you can see, again the massive collection of
Yeah.
tops. As you know that Style Port is famous for variety, guys. If I say variety, massive variety.
Yeah.
So let's get started with the tops.
Wow.
This top from the big brand. Can you see the styling?
This is from Mango, right?
Yes.
Shravani,
You
is
can have a look at the price.
3,590 the actual price. And all these are for, these collection is all for 250, right?
Only for 250.
Wow.
Pick any top, long top, short top, crop top, and you tell me which top. Only for 250.
Yes.
This is from another brand again. Each and every piece will be different, guys. So
Yeah.
Shravani, if you see seeing this piece here at Madhapur, you might not be able to find the same piece at Amirpet or
Yeah,
Sarat
I
City Mall.
agree.
Because again the variety, each and every piece is different. Obviously, no one wants to wear the same piece, right?
Yeah.
If your friend is buying this, you don't want to buy this. So we are catering that. We have such a massive variety. This is again
beautiful.
sheer top, beautiful top from brand.
Forever 21.
And we have few colors in this.
Okay. So
Again, this one from another brand. Guys, you will see each and every piece is so good.
yes.
We believe in customer service and we believe in great quality. The styling also matters. As you can see, all the tops have got their own stylings. Each and every piece is different from one another. You can see the labels here. From again brand Forever 21. So guys, if you want to grab this piece, please save the date and visit the store from 1st till 18th. First come first serve basis, guys. If this top is gone, no one else can buy this. So if you like it, please visit the store on 1st of July at Durgam Chervu Madhapur store. So I'll show you few more pieces which are non-branded, guys. See, we are authentic branded store. Few things are branded, that means they are purely branded. If they are not branded, they are non-branded. So we clearly say that it's a non-branded product, so I wouldn't tag this as a branded one. Okay.
So even this is for 250, right?
Yes, it's so much in trend now, guys. People are loving this top. It's a puff sleeve top. It fits from small, medium to large person, completely stretchable and very stylish. So we have colors in that. Again, few more tops I'm going to show you. These are all again branded tops.
So we have very huge collection in 250.
Yeah. If you want to check out more tops, guys, I cannot show you all the tops here. Please stay tuned. Follow our page on Instagram. It's styleport_Hyderabad. If you want daily update, Instagram is your solution. Please follow us there.
We have 250 లో క్రాప్ టాప్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇది చూసారా, మొత్తం చమ్కీ కలెక్షన్ ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ బ్యాక్. అండ్ 250 లో క్రాప్ టాప్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. సోనం హ్యాస్ సమ్, ప్లీజ్ షో us.
So guys, because people are loving crop tops these days, so I'm showing you few crop tops. Even these are going to cost you only for rupees 250. Again from the big brand, as you can see here. So you're going to get such cute tops. They are all single pieces, guys. There is no repeat pieces. So if you want to grab these pieces, please make your way to the store on the first day itself. Every day we restock our stuff.
And everything is branded here from Lara, Forever 21. We have everything branded at reasonable prices. As always, Styleport is for reasonable prices.
Yeah, the best quality and the most reasonable in the market. That's our guarantee. So guys, we have a separate section for plus sizes, and this is the collection. We have tops, long tops, short tops. You can come to the store. We have sizes up till 6XL. So you can come and have a look at this collection. I can show you few pieces here. Can you see the neckline? And it is from brand called Nubella. So such pieces we have available here, wide variety again in the plus sizes as well. So if you are someone who is looking for plus size, please visit the store and follow our Instagram page styleport_Hyderabad. Shravani, we have tops, we have crop tops, we have plus sizes, and we also have knee length dresses. We have named this as knee length dresses. You can also call it tunics. This comes till knee. Few people they prefer wearing long tops.
Yeah.
So knee length is again also known as long tops. So I'll show you few pieces, Shravani, here. As you can see, such a pretty piece.
Yeah, this is so nice, and fabric is also so smooth and soft. So even this is a brand.
Yeah, all of them are branded. This is a Korean stuff, guys. This is another piece, Shravani. It is from brand which everyone is aware of.
Black is so good.
The actual price is 2,499, but here at Styleport you are getting this particular piece only for rupees 400, guys. Any knee length top, long tops, you are going to get only for rupees 400. We have massive variety in this. Can you see the fabric?
It is so
So good. And it has got this pearls here. It is a thick fabric, and it has got this lining as well here, and it has got this belt where you can you style it with any chain or something. I'll show you a few more pieces from here. Let's quickly go through it.
This is something very nice, and this is a sequence top, I can say.
It's a crushed fabric.
Yeah.
Very awesome, very comfortable to wear.
And this is something in lace and net, complete net. We have elastic back side, and it is adjustable for every size.
Can you see this? Look at this piece. Such a beautiful color. Something very unique, and you are going to get this particular piece only for rupees 400, guys. It's only for 400. Yes. Can you imagine the price, Shravani?
Yeah,
only for 400. People, if we are genuine, if I'm saying 400, that means it is going to be there for 400. This is not some gimmick that I am saying this in the video. People who have already shopped from us, they already know that yes, this is the prices we are having for inaugural offer. So the inaugural offer is going to be valid from 1st of July till 18th July. We won't be catering any online customers, guys.
So Sonam, there are richer clothes like 99 rupees.
Yeah, it has to be here,
Yeah, exactly.
So this is a ground floor. So let me take you, Shravani, to the first floor where you'll get your favorite collections.
Yeah.
So
We
this
also
is
have this beautiful.
yes.
all
These are all capes.
Okay.
And people have loved this. These small ones are for rupees 1,000 only, and the big ones are for 2,800. People are loving this stuff. All the colors are available in the small ones.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we have skirts here. We have 99. We have all the maxi dresses here.
Wow.
So you are going to get everything you want in Western wear.
To be frank, it is very good, and everything is organized here according to the price. And we have another floor also to explore your collection. So let's get into the 99 tops first. So these are 99, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
guys, I'm going to show you 99 tops.
Wow.
Shravani, this top is going to be for rupees 99 only. Can you imagine?
Yeah, it is too good. Everything is handmade, and it is for 99.
Yes. Another piece from brand Zinc London. You are going to get only for 99 rupees.
And fabric is also too
Yes.
good.
The smooth. It's not that because it's for 99 you have to wear at home. You can wear this to your office, to your party, to your chai coffee, everywhere.
Exactly. None of the collection looks like, it is normal daily wear. It is something good.
Thank you guys for showing all the love. All the video call customers, they have loved our stuff. Even though it was on video call, once they have received the parcel, you can see all the reviews on our Instagram page, and they have loved it. And thank you so much, guys, for showering so much love. Crop top.
Yeah.
Only for rupees 99. So Shravani, this is a jumpsuit from Forever 21. You can see the tag, guys. And you are getting this particular piece only for rupees 100.
Wow.
Yes, and it has got this elastic here, very comfortable, smooth fabric, and the color is dark, so it's not see-through. Very smooth fabric, guys.
It is for 99, right?
Yes. So if you want to grab this piece, please come to the store. Ask us for the sizes. We have all the sizes available in this, up to XL size. We have it at our store. Yeah.
Good.
This is another thing which we have added in 99. This is a skirt. As you can see, it's a long skirt available from small to double XL size.
Wow.
It's a hosiery fabric, but it's very smooth fabric, as you can see. It has got nice cut. If you want to see more pictures of this with the 99 top on Instagram, model wearing this, so you can have a closer look at it. We have two colors available in this. One is grey color and this color. Guys, 400 rupees, Shravani.
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to tell something to your customer?
అండ్ యునో ఇట్ ఈస్ చాలా అంటే చాలా స్మూత్ గా ఉంటుంది. దీన్ని మనం దేంతో అయినా పెయిర్ అప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్ వుడ్ బి వెరీ గుడ్ ఫర్ పెయిరింగ్ అప్ విత్ షర్ట్స్ ఆర్ క్రాప్ టాప్స్.
I'm telling you, you can go to our Instagram page. Our customer has worn with some 99 tops, 200 guys, and you're good to go. Imagine.
యా
Look at the combination. We have many such combination available at our store. So grab this. Don't miss out on this skirt and the 99 section when you visit the store.
You said we have a surprise and
Yes.
I'm not aware of it, so
Yeah.
I know.
So last time we gave that 100 rupees white color pant, and
Okay.
that was like a gift for our customer. This time we have one more, two things, not one thing. So guys, you are going to get this piece. It's a long maxi dress from
Yeah.
brand Zinc London. Imagine for how much? 200 rupees, guys.
Okay.
It's like a giveaway. So
Okay.
because our product is at such a reasonable price, we cannot give it like a free giveaway because we
Okay.
have so many customers. So this
Yeah.
is priced at 200 only. So you
Okay.
can grab this beautiful print, floral print. It has got lining,
Yeah.
sleeves, everything only for rupees 200.
పర్ఫెక్ట్. సో చూసారు కదండి, ఈ టాప్ వచ్చేసి మొత్తం లైన్ అండ్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ కంప్లీట్ కింది వరకు. అండ్ ఈ టాప్ మనకి 200 రూపీస్ యాజ్ అ బోనస్, రైట్?
Yes.
డూ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ లిమిటెడ్ పీరియడ్ ఫర్ దిస్?
From 1st till 18th only, guys. We have
Only.
all the sizes available in this.
ఇందులో అన్ని సైజెస్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇనాగ్రేషన్ సేల్ కి మాత్రమే. 1st July to 18th July.
Yes.
సో వీ హ్యావ్ అనదర్ టాప్.
We have another top. It's a knee length dress, and you are going to get this piece also for 200.
Wow.
But you know what? There's a surprise. It's not a single dress. It's a two-piece dress.
వావ్, యా.
So you are getting a spaghetti, long spaghetti, and a dress for 200. That means
Wow.
you are getting 100 each.
యా.
Yeah. So that's a spaghetti for 100 rupees, and
And
you are
the
going
top
to
for?
get this dress, knee length dress for 100 rupees.
Wow.
Imagine,
It's beautiful,
guys.
actually.
Can you feel the texture, the color?
Yeah.
It's so good. You can pair it with a belt, and this is going to turn you into a classy wear.
Exactly.
Such a beautiful piece, guys. Only for 200. If you want to grab these two pieces, make your way as soon as possible before it sells out. So, guys, visit Styleport, Madhapur. The launching, the grand opening is on 1st.
So we have this long maxi dresses. So
Yes.
I just want to have a look on them.
Yeah. So this time, guys, we have massive variety in long dresses, and they are all fabulous. If you want to see more collection of maxi dresses, you can log on to, you can follow our page on Instagram, styleport_Hyderabad, for all the latest collection. We have many uploads there. We upload every single day. As I won't be able to show you each and every piece, but guys, follow us on Instagram for more collection.
Yeah.
Can you see this, Shravani? This is fully stretchable. This dress, polka dot, and we have colors also available in this, so you can ask for colors when you come. If you want to grab these beautiful pieces, you have to come to the store, guys. This is a soft cotton, completely stretchable. It has got nice sleeves here. Many such varieties. This is something similar to what I am wearing today, but a
Yeah.
different print. And guys, you are getting this only for rupees 550. 550. You have got long sleeves. You have got styling. You have got beautiful print, and you have got this lining also inside. So the quality is fabulous for the value of money. It's totally worth buying, guys. Only for 550.
Every maxi dress is 550, right?
Yes, pick whichever above your knee will be your maxi dress, and you are getting each and every piece is pure cotton, and this is a bandhani print loved by everyone.
Exactly.
Cute sleeves, and you are getting all these pieces only for rupees 550. Guys, we have many colors, prints in this available. It is stretchable here, as you can see. It can stretch up to triple XL. So anyone can wear the same dress from small till triple XL. You can wear this dress. I'll show you a few more pieces from here. Wide collection of maxi dresses.
Exactly. So we'll be not able to show each and everything,
Yeah.
but it's worthy to visit the shop, and all these are for 500, 550. So please do visit the store, and this is very beautiful.
This is my favorite, you know. Such a pretty color. Oh my god, so soothing to our eyes. I have one more color in this, and it has got beautiful sleeves and the neckline as well. If you want to wear it like a boat neck, you can wear it. If you want to wear it like a round neck, you can wear it.
Yeah.
Can you see this? Such a pretty piece. It has got this styling here also, ruffle. Very beautiful piece. So we have this also. We had this previously as well,
Yeah.
in the sale, and this time you are getting this particular piece only for rupees 550, guys. All of them are for 550. Many different colors, different prints, huge
patterns.
variety. Yes, huge variety.
This is so beautiful, actually, colorful, actually.
So guys, buy them before all of them are gone, because the style keeps changing.
Yeah.
So if you like anything from this video, please visit the store on first day itself. We are having grand opening, and I am inviting you to all the AMS Gossip Bees viewers. Please come to store on first. It is our inaugural, and show some love. Thank you so much. So you can see this particular dress. I'm a large person. This dress fits from small, medium, large till XL, because it has got this nice elastic here, as you can see. It can stretch up till XL, and if you are an extra small person, it has got the belt as well, where you can tie it like this. It has got this shimmery fabric. It has got the thick lining as well. If you want to wear it for a party, birthday party, anything, you can grab this piece only for rupees 550, guys. We have one more color, blue color in this. And guys, seriously, you can look at my dress. It's so
beautiful.
comfortable, seriously. Comfort comes first for me, and अगर दिख रहा भी अच्छा है और comfortable भी है, that's the best combination.
Exactly.
Yeah. Shravani, we don't want the video to be very lengthy, so I'll explain you quickly that we have skirts, we have dry fits, we have jeans, we have denim shorts, we have normal shorts, we have Goa shorts, and massive variety in bottom wear. If you want to check out all those pictures and all, you can follow our page on Instagram. Do not forget to do that, otherwise you will miss out on all the collection. Styleport Hyderabad is our ID on Instagram. Please follow us there.
Yeah. So చూసారు కదండి, that's all for our video. So we have a huge like inaugural sale in Styleport, I can say.
Yeah, whatever you can
So
call.
ప్లీజ్ డూ విజిట్ ద స్టోర్. అడ్రస్ అన్ని మేము కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో కరెక్ట్ గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తాము. ఒకవేళ మీరు అడ్రస్ ఎక్కడన్నా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయితే, ల్యాండ్ మార్క్స్ విల్ బి ఆపోజిట్ టు కాస్ట్ అండ్ పిల్లర్ నెంబర్ 1758 అండ్ బిసైడ్ ఇండస్ఇండ్ బ్యాంక్ అన్నమాట. చాలా ల్యాండ్ మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ప్లీజ్ డూ విజిట్ ద స్టోర్, అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అ వీడియో. And if you want to promote your business, please text us on WhatsApp number. And you don't have online shopping this time, right?
Not for the sale, guys. There won't be any online shopping for this particular sale. So
Okay.
please make your way to the store and save the date. I am inviting you all for this grand opening, which is on 1st. It's a Thursday, guys. Please visit. If you cannot make it on Thursday, you can come on weekend to grab so many beautiful pieces.
Exactly. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.